Yo, it's your boy here, and this is the second video of I Am Spider-Man. So, you might know the silent one that I posted a few days ago. That's actually short. This is the sound of it. Like I said in the I Am Spider-Man video, I did this. Wait, I think, when did I post that? I'll check that video out, so see what clothes I'm wearing. Cause I think that I posted that today. But anyway, you can either do it like this, which I do not prefer, like this, which I do not prefer like the other one, cause you know it has more weight. Or you can do it like this, which I prefer, cause I prefer. Ooh. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. 3 catches in a row. I said right before the creek. Ooh, riding with the heat. Riding with the heat. Ooh, say low. I was trying to do the right foot. Quick. That's the end of the video. Make sure to like, boom, subscribe, peace, hit the notification button. No, stay hype.